How to create Google Meet link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can create Google Meet link. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser in your device and in the search bar you have to type in Google Meet. Press enter in your keyboard. After that, head over to the first link on your interface or on your search results. So once you go to the meet.google.com, here you have an option to create a new meeting. You have to click on new meeting. Then you get three options whether to create a meeting for later on, start an instant meeting, or scheduled in Google Calendar. So according to your preferences, you can select one from here. I will go with start an instant meeting. After you start a meeting on your interface, at your left hand side there you will see this pop-up box. Here you can copy the link and share it. So that's the way to create Google Meet link, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.